Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to talk about NIO and a possible play for tomorrow. So I'm watching this at open to break this resistance right over here. Now overall, congratulations on the play for AMD. Very nice breakout on AMD. I'm starting to do YouTube shorts, so 30-second long videos on daily watch lists, and I am on TikTok, so make sure to follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and all of that good stuff. I'm posting YouTube shorts on YouTube to keep my videos very simple on the daily watch list. So make sure to subscribe if you guys want more content like this, and to support me you can like and just comment in the video. Now AMD, very nice play. We had this descending triangle, and again I'm still swinging. My price target is 110. Now let's talk about NIO. Now before I begin the video, again, this is a Chinese stock, and be very careful with Chinese stocks, especially right now. So I'm most likely not going to swing this. This will most likely be a shares. Another thing about NIO is I remember playing NIO, and some news would just come out, whether it would be like a stock offering or car numbers, but I would just be very careful with swinging. And personally, I'm just looking to day trade this like I did with some AMD. Now NIO looks very nice. We have this very nice falling wedge, and as you can see right over here, okay, we have this major resistance right over here. So we tested it around 3 times, actually multiple times, and then this is the breakout right now. And we closed right at the resistance, so we're fairly bullish for tomorrow. Okay, so as long as if you don't gap up, I'm looking to enter. And here is our support right over here. So we have very nice supports right over here. So our stop loss would be so let's delete everything now. So let's talk about the trade plan. So at open, okay, I'm watching it to hold this level. Okay, so we have this level. Okay, so there's actually a gap right over here. We need to hold this level. Okay, so at market open, if it holds this level, okay, we pump. Okay, we hold that level. I'm going to be buying calls, and then our stop loss would actually be below this resistance. As you can see, this resistance, below this resistance, if we start bear flagging on the daily. I'm looking at weekly expirations for NIO. Now overall, we have this very nice breakout, and then our price target would actually be this resistance right over here. So let's delete this. Let's delete everything. Let's get out of my horizontal. So we have our supports right over here. Okay, and then my price target is going to be these wicks right over here. So my price target is around 39, so around 40. A more realistic price target would be around 38, 37. So as you guys can see, there's actually a lot of supports and a lot of resistance right over here. As you can see, we have this very nice channel right over here, and I am looking for us to enter at this zone right over here, which is the 39.44 level. Okay, so as you guys can see, NIO looks very nice. Let's erase these. So these are going to be my levels right over here. Again, stop loss is if we do not hold this. Again, once we break the resistance, okay, once we break this resistance, so let's get my chart right over here. So once we break this resistance, it becomes the support. So then we have to hold this level. If we don't hold this level, we're rejecting. Okay, that is called a rejection for NIO. Now let's just look at some other indicators. So we actually have the RSI. RSI also looks very nice. Again, a new thing that I introduced was charting on the RSI, charting support and resistance. I've never seen anyone do that. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're approaching a very nice resistance for NIO, and we have this very nice support right around NIO. So overall, NIO is looking like a very nice scalp. Our price target for the RSI would be 50. Okay, so very simple trade plan. Calls are very cheap, and again, I make these videos for you guys. I'm not selling these videos, so please hope you guys understand my perspective on this stock. As I posted the video on AMD, I hope you guys understood why AMD went up and why I took calls on AMD. So overall, very simple video. NIO looks very nice for tomorrow. We also have a gap. I was thinking to swing it, but honestly, if you have your account under 10,000, I would not swing it, because again, high risk factors with China. So again, our main mental number for NIO is the $40 price target, and overall everything is looking very nice for NIO. Again, this is our stop loss. Now I'm going to be making another video, another play for tomorrow, but make sure to subscribe and turn notifications on. Okay, make sure you turn notifications on so you guys do get alerted, because for some reason you're not, in some Discord that I alert for, or I don't alert for that Discord. So just make sure to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos, and make sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, any social media. And overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions, and thank you for watching.